Hello and welcome again. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the concepts of formula bar and status bar. These two bars plays a very important roles in navigating the data in Excel. So let's see how this formula and status bar helps us to navigate the data. Like if you can see this data, it's a small data where I just put some sales record for some units, okay, and we have some numbers, okay, displaying here with the names and everything. Now, if you can notice here, like if I click somewhere, the numbers are changing. Okay, whenever I click somewhere, all the numbers are automatically changing. It may be because of some formulas. So if you want to know where is this formula and how we can see the formulas, so we have two options to see the formula, right? You can see the formula bars here. This options is known as formula bar. This line that you can see, it's formula bar. If you want to resize it, you can resize it also like just by holding these buttons. You can resize it according to your requirement. Like sometimes we have very big formulas. So these big formulas will help us to see it clearly. Okay, so we can use these formulas here. Now, if I click this cell, let's say this any cell, you can see I have used a formula of rand between 0 to 100. Means these are randomly generated numbers, okay, which can be easily displayed in formulas, okay, and in this formula bar. Same case, if you can see that how this 671 or some numbers comes, it is just because of the formulas that you can see in the top of formulas bar. Any formulas you want to see. If you want to edit any formula, you simply double click, or either you can enter inside the cell, or you can select this one and you can simply go there and edit your formulas. Okay, like this. So in every cell, we have used some different formulas which can be easily displayed that what kind of formulas we are using here to display these numbers. Okay, even sometimes you can notice that if you can see this cell, this is normal, but if you can see there's a small error displays there. Okay, it's like this green color corner, you can say this symbol displays that the formula is not uniform. Uniform means it is not regular formulas. Okay, whenever you can see this type of symbol, it means the formula, there is some kind of irregularity in formula. How it is? If you can see there, I have used a formula of sum here. You can click this sum D5205. This is the formula that I used here. Plus, I use the same formula here. But when I click here, I use a simple plus sum formula, like 1 plus second plus third plus fourth plus, and like that multiple cells I have added manually. Same here, you can say it's normal, but again the formula is different. Okay, so whenever we have some kind of irregularity, we can see this type of symbols in your formulas options in these cells, okay, which you can easily track and check that why you are getting this kind of symbols, this green color symbol. And so for checking this one, you can use this formula bar here. Okay, so as the formula is here, so as the formula here. Now coming to a status bar, this line at the end of the bars, you can see this is called a status bar at the bottom of your Excel sheet. Okay, like if I select some number like this, it will automatically display the numbers like average, count, sum. Same case, if I select these numbers, it will tell me the total number of 6944. Okay, like that. So it will just show me the numbers that we have here. Okay, even you can see the formula. Now here the formula is not proper, okay, because there's some irregularity. So we can make it, okay. Okay, same case. Now if I select this option, so you can check the number 6613 and 6613. Sometimes we do not want to write formula. We just want to check whether my value is correct or not. Example, if I write 5 and if I need 6, okay, and if I am getting the result as 12, if I'm getting the result as 12, I can just simply check that whether what's my normal sum. My normal sum used to 11. We learn that. We remember that, okay, if I add 5 and 6 together, I will always get 11. But if your result comes 12, it means something is wrong in your entry, something wrong formulas you have added, some data entry error is there, and that's why you are getting some result. So many times we use this status bar to just verify ourselves. Okay, not to write here, just to verify whether the number is correct or not. And like that, you can use these options status. Now in this status bar, whatever, even if you select the full, it will tell you the total number of total sum, how many entries are there. Okay, like that, the number of person you can see. So it says total number of 10 number of person is there. Okay, total 12 month of entries is there. So that if you miss any entries, you can easily check that whether all the 12 month of entry from January to December is made or not. Okay, like that you can check. Now in this status bar, if you want to add some more informations, some more data, simply right click on this status bar. Okay, simply right click on this status bar and you can see that lots of information you are getting it. If I want minimum, I can click minimum. Now I can get the minimum also and maximum also on the same status, min and max formula. So whenever you select any number or a range of number, you will get these options. You will not get any status, okay, if you select only single digit. If you just select a single cell, you will not get any display on your status bar. The status bar will only appear when minimum 2 or more than 2 cells are selected together. Then only the status bar will show you whatever information you want to see. So like that, our formula bar will help us to navigate better, and so as the same status bar will help us to check our data whether we are correct or not. Sometimes we just see our intelligence and just play with those things. Okay, and that's why these two topic plays a very important role in working with your Excel. Okay, many times we do not use formulas, we just check it in the status, right? So I hope you like this session. See you again in next session. Thank you.